This is Morten from English TV. We are still here with AGFA's open house, or the unboxing is actually called, because of the SpeedSet 1060 machine that is just being unveiled here behind us. Barry from Simpson's up north, you said, right?
Yeah.
Are you a typical customer for a product like this?
Well, probably not. We're a large format point-of-sale printer. For us, it would be a new venture, a new avenue for us to go, but it's very interesting technology for us because we're already an on-set customer. It's just interesting to see what they're doing now.
So when you chose to come here, were you just a little curious what you were expecting to see, or
just to see what it was about, really? Because we've had a previous B1 digital machine. It was very different technology to this, but it maybe wasn't right for us at the time when we got it. This is obviously something different now, and yeah, it was interesting to see what it does.
I think that when we heard the presentation this morning, I think that AGFA really aims this to be a machine for the folding carton market.
Yeah.
But you see an opportunity also in the large format and how it complements the onset machines?
Potentially, I mean, the onsets, or we've got small format toner-based presses, only B3. But there's always a market to do something a little bit bigger than that, but maybe not big enough to go on the onset. We have got large format litho as well. So it's maybe something in between that in terms of volumes and run lengths and things like that. But yeah, we'll see what it's about. See what it costs.
Oh yeah, that's always the thing, right? Or
yeah.
At least, or what they said also in the presentation, the productivity of it, right? So did you have? I mean, we are here in the sample room. Did you have time to look at any of the samples?
Yeah, they're very good.
Are they
really
good?
I'm impressed. Yeah. With inkjet, it's always a question of what the fine text is going to be like. And this is targeted packaging, so it's going to be really good for that. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed with what it does so far.
Fantastic. So what is the next thing? Is it just going home and wait for it to be finished for 25?
I've got to go back and present this to our business and tell them what it does, and then we'll have a think about whether it's right for us, whether we've got a market for it.
Yeah. Is Simpson's a big company, or?
About 50 million turnover, going for 18 million over the next few years.
So you see growth in the market, and of course machines and the digital transformation. I take that is why these kind of technologies are interesting to you guys, right?
A business which was a screen printing business originally, which is now digital litho.
Everything is going digital basically.
It's just run lengths do drop, like they were saying in the presentation this morning. What we're seeing is the run lengths are dropping. Our retail customers are sort of focused on being sustainable and not using too much, so that they don't want huge runs produced like they used to do. So this is potentially the right way to go for them.
And what is your role with Simpsons?
I'm on the management team, but my main focus is pre-press.
Okay, so you make sure that things are in order before they hit the presses, right?
Yeah, pre-press and sort of the technology side. That's what I mean,
one of the things that's always interesting about these kind of things is that the time to market, but also shorter and shorter print runs, variable data, all those kind of things. Is these changes something you see just instantly?
Variable data is a big thing for us. Price points for different retailers and things like that are it's a big part of what we do. It's why we're digital, or why we've got the digital capabilities.
Well, great to talk to you, and all the best with your potential investment, right?
We'll see.